Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to reset your Roblox password if you've forgotten it without using any emails or numbers. This is a very simple task and takes about a whole minute to complete, so please watch the whole video. First, go to your Roblox, and as you can see, when I try to log in, I don't know my own account, so just tap on forgot password, and then it will ask for your number, but instead you can use your email. So just put your email here. It will send in your email account. Just go over there and then it will say reset password. Tap on that and make sure when you create your new password, remember your new one once you set it. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.